Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we're going to go over electrical must-have tools for small engine and power sports techs, and we're going to go over some basic tools in this video. So stay tuned. Let's talk about this. So I think our most, and people have disagreements. I've seen comment sections of other people's videos. They said you shouldn't use one of these style. You should use a digital one on small engines. I've used this style for years. Use it professionally. We use these styles in the shop, but a battery load tester is about one of the most important tools I think you should have, because a battery can show 12 volts and then you put it under a load and it'll drop down, so that'll really show you that a battery's weak. Definitely a good investment to have. Another, when it comes to testing equipment, I say you could do a lot on diagnosing on a lawnmower and many other things with a test light and a few pieces of jumper wires made. I think also, I don't have them here, but I also think jumper wires, having different types of jumper wires made, is a very good thing to have in your electrical drawer. But a test light can do a lot of things. And I'm going to do a video showing some test methods soon on doing electrical diagnostic work on mowers and stuff, riding mowers and stuff, and we'll use the basic tools here to do that. But test light is really good to have. I would recommend, if anything, you have one of these in your toolbox. They're cheap, they're easy to get. Another thing you should have in your toolbox is a multimeter. You need a multimeter that can do AC boats, DC boats, ohms. That's all important, especially when you're testing the charging system on a lawnmower or even a four-wheeler, the stator and stuff. Make sure the stator's putting out what you need to put out. Some systems stators put AC out, and then it converts. Once it gets to the regulator, it converts into DC. So AC and DC is a must on these, and ohms. Some stators has to be tested with a resistance test. So get yourself a multimeter. Probably don't have to go too expensive, but I wouldn't go too cheap either. Another thing is good set of wire strippers. This is Capri Tools. They've been pretty good. I'm not a fan of their latch here. I wish they would hold better. They don't hold as good as I like it to. But other than that, this has been a great set. You got to strip wires, of course, to fix things. So definitely get you some wire strippers. Another thing is we're going to talk about crimpers now. This is your basic crimpers. We use these for basic terminals. I use this style for basic terminals, like this. Let's say this female spade connector right here. That's what I use these for. But if you're doing a lot of wiring harnesses, actual wiring harness repairs, you'll run into a lot of open barrel designs here, and that's when you need one of these ratcheting and crimping tools here. You get your wire in there. You get your wire in there, and then you crimp it down, and it does a real nice crimp, real nice professional tight crimp that you won't lose. Definitely worth the money to have and to do your wire to look professional. And having a bunch of different terminal ends, really nice to have in the shop. I got some open barrel ones that I use for Powersports. I got your regular spade style like this. Having a bunch of different connectors, it's really nice. I got to order, thanks to Larry BL, I'll put his channel link down there. I got to order some Packard 56, which is what's used for the key switches. I didn't know what those was called. We have them at work, but I didn't know what the actual name for that style spade connector was. Larry Thanks for that. I need to order some because I'm gonna gotta build some custom wiring harnesses soon for some projects. Another thing I just picked up, and I've never used one, but I could see where they'd be handy. But I bought one, and I've been wanting one, and that would be a power probe. I picked up a Power Probe 3. I just bought it, and as you can tell, it's still in the plastic. My buddy Mower Medic 1 did a good video. I'll put his link for that down in below. But it's pretty awesome because I don't think this one does ohms. The newer ones might. This one don't do ohms, but you do voltage. It's like a fancy test light that can do more. It's like a multimeter test light. It's hard to explain it all in one. So this is pretty cool. I'm actually probably gonna take this to work tomorrow. I do a lot of electrical work at work, so I can't wait to actually get to try it. But yeah, I believe you can get by doing a lot with a test light. If you can get a test light and make you some jumper wires and stuff like that. And I'm going to do a video. Like I said, I'm going to do a video on testing different electrical components here. But these are the basic tools I believe every small engine mechanic at least needs to have in their kit. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Guys, I'll see y'all next time in the shop. Thanks for watching.